So today, Arrma Big Rock V3 3S BLX. I got this bad boy for Christmas. Here's the controller, the new SLT3. You got your foam wheel, proportional steering and throttle. You got your steering, your steering rate right here, your steering trim right here. Here's your on and off button right here, and 50, 75, and 100 throttle limit. Here's the truck. We'll show you the insides after the video. Yeah, you got a wheelie bar. It's a cool body, front bumper. It's a pretty sturdy truck. I've actually already driven this in the past 2 days, and I actually broke the back left A-arm, but we've already repaired that on about like 10 jumps. I broke it. I was trying to do my backflip, but didn't work out. I landed on a hard ground. All right, let's see how it performs. 50, 75, and 100. I'm on 50 right now. Let's test it on 50. Let's go to 75.
first backflip.
Nothing's cracked or broken. Steering's fine. Yeah, wheelie bar's good. This thing is awesome, you all. Seriously, this thing super fast. Pulled my first backflip on it, which is pretty sweet. Plenty of power. I gotta get used to driving on 100. Right now 75 is pretty good bashing speed for me. Let me show you the insides real quick. So here's the two cooling fans. Arrma motor, heat sink on it, ESC, servo, completely waterproof. Run this thing through water. Here's the LiPo battery, Spectrum Smart battery we're running on. It's 3S 5000 milliamp 50C LiPo, and it's Spectrum Smart. We really like those. Those things are very useful. The suspension is very, very nice. It soaks up all the bumps that we go over. Very, very soft. The tires, foam, very grippy on asphalt and off-road. Can't wait to show you more. Seriously, this thing is insane. Drop a like if you like what this video was about, and thank you all for subscribing. We just hit 400 subs about 2 days ago. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.